What's happening, guys? We're back and I need your help. Alright guys, we're not going to get any work done this episode. I was gone over the weekend on a bachelor party. Went out dirt biking out in the bush, ended up crashing and injuring myself. So I'm recovering from an injury, and then I also don't have a lot of time in the evenings with the new kid. But I need your guys' help to come up with a solution for my control arm mounts. The front mounts worked really well for the upper control arm. The rear mounts I got started on last week. I cut out a couple tabs. These work for the back side mount because they get welded directly onto this upright here. Unfortunately, because our rear heim joint is spaced half an inch forward from that upright, the front ones can't weld onto that upright. So I need your guys' suggestions how to connect a tab here to this upright, which is spaced half an inch back. You know, I've contemplated putting a bend in this tab, or maybe even just welding another strip on and boxing it all in and whatnot. I'm not sure what's going to be the most elegant or structural. So I want you guys to leave me a suggestion. If you got an idea of what to do there, throw it in the comments. Hopefully we get something by the weekend so I can get back to work on it and have a better episode next week. And that's all I got to do this week. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button. Please come back next week where we're actually gonna get some work done on the car. And yeah, I'm out of here.